In this video, we are going to solve one-step equations. So we will always have an equation. An equation has two sides and they are equal. So I can do anything I want to as long as I do it to both sides. I'm always trying to solve for the variable. Look at this first equation, 3x equals 12. Look at the variable. It is being multiplied by 3. Okay, well, what's the opposite of multiply by 3? Yes, it is to divide by 3. But if you divide the left side by 3, be sure to divide the right side by 3. So just like we planned on the left side, 3 divided by 3, that will just be 1, or 1 times x, which is x. On the right side, 12 divided by 3 is 4. The second equation, negative 2x equals 17. The variable x is multiplied by negative 2. You see that it is right beside negative 2. That is multiplied. What's the opposite of multiply by negative 2? Yes, I will divide by negative 2. But if you divide the left side by negative 2, make sure you divide the right side by negative 2. On the left side, negative 2 divided by negative 2 will just be a positive 1, or 1 times x. And on the right side, don't let this confuse you. I have one negative here, so your answer will be negative, and it will just be 17 over 2. That is a number. Even though it won't divide evenly, I can leave that negative 17 over 2. Your teacher may want you to change that to a mixed number, which will be negative 8 and 1/2. Let's try some more. In this problem, I have x divided by 4 equals 8. Okay, so the variable is being divided by 4. The opposite of divide by 4 is to multiply by 4. And remember, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And remember, this is just 4 over 1. If that helps you to put that over 1, that's fine. The 4's will cancel out. I will have x on the left, and on the right side, 8 times 4 is 32. We now have the problem 2/3 times x equals 8. We could do this in 2 steps. We could multiply by 3 and then divide by 2. But the best way to work this problem is when I have a variable multiplied by a fraction. There is nothing added or subtracted. It's just a variable multiplied by 2/3. I could choose to multiply by the reciprocal, which is 3 over 2. Of course, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Now, if you would like to put this 8 over 1 so you can understand this problem better, that's fine. Well, let's see what happens on the left side. Sure enough, the 3's cancel and the 2's will cancel. That will be 1 times x, which is just x. And on the right side, I could just multiply straight across and then reduce. Or I could notice that 2 will go into 2 and 8. So on the right side, I now have 12 over 1, which is just 12.